Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Outlook and signing in. This lets the app access your contacts and calendar. Once signed in, create a new message. Click New Email or press Ctrl+N to start drafting immediately. Next, add the recipient in the To field and use CC or BCC when you want others copied without cluttering the main address. Make sure to check the From address if you have multiple accounts, because sending from the wrong account causes confusion later. You now write the subject first. It directs attention and improves open rates. Then compose the body using short paragraphs and explicit actions. Use bullets for tasks and deadlines because clarity speeds responses. If you need attachments, attach files with Attach File or drag them in. Once attached, glance at the size indicator to avoid failures. Before sending, proofread for tone and links, and use Insert Signature, or pick the correct one so recipients know who you are. You're ready to send. Review recipients, subject, and attachments one last time and then click Send. If you need time, use Delay Delivery or the Undo Send option to retract quickly. This prevents mistakes. Once sent, confirm delivery by checking Sent items. If sending fails, look in the outbox, verify your internet connection, and confirm account settings and attachment size. These are the usual culprits. If needed, restart Outlook and try again. That often clears temporary sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.